Okay, in this video, we're going to talk about what is a ratio. So a ratio is a comparison of two values. When writing ratios, there are three ways to write a ratio. They're all pronounced the same: A to B, A to B, and A to B as a fraction. Like fractions, ratios should always be written in simplest form. So let's take a look at number one. Number one, you have 8 DVDs, and 2 books. If you read from left to right, you put 8 over 2, and then we simplify by dividing the numerator and the denominator by the largest number that goes into both, and that gives us 4 over 1, and that is our answer. If it is an improper fraction, you need to leave it as an improper fraction, but you need to simplify it. Let's do one more of these. Let's do number 2. 15 girls to 24 boys. Again, reading from left to right. We have 15 in the numerator and 24 in the denominator. The largest number that goes into both is 3. We're going to divide top and bottom by 3, and we get 5 over 8. And that is our answer. Okay, for the rest of these, you're going to do these on your own. And take a picture and turn them in teams. On the second page of our notes, it says, when a ratio involves measurement, I want to highlight that. When a ratio involves measurement, both quantities must have the same unit of measure. When they are different, you must convert one unit to the other, and it's easier to change the larger quantity to the smaller quantity. Okay? So when we write our steps into what to do, the first thing we're going to do is 1, change the larger quantity to match the smaller one. The second thing we're going to do is set up the ratio. And the third thing we're going to do is simplify if necessary. So with number 11, we have 1 foot to 4 inches. So feet is the largest of the 2 units. So we're going to convert this one to 12 inches. Then we're going to read again from left to right and put 12 inches over 4. We're going to divide top and bottom by the largest number that goes in both, which is 4. And we get 3 over 1, and that is our ratio. Let's do number 12. 28 inches to 3 feet. Again, feet is the larger of the entity, is the larger unit. So there's 12 inches in 1 foot, and there are 3 feet. So 12 times 3 is 36. So that means this is 36 inches. So it'll be 36 inches over 28 inches. The largest number that goes into both is 4. So we'll get 9 over 7 as our ratio. And that is how you do this. Please complete the rest of the page. Go into Teams and attach it to the assignment there, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.